Echelon number 5 to success is the 15 rules of operation. Now, these rules are not as essential, yet they are very handy and they're very comfortable to know and makes you speedily decide on things. Rule number 1, increasing decisional power rule, which I think is very important. Rule number 2, building a cash cushion rule. Rule number 3, creating stress-free work environment, free of noise. Rule number 4, setting up a reward system rule. For people around you, you need to reward them if they do something good. Rule number 5, having a positive mental attitude, PMA. Rule number 6, removing negativity rule. Rule number 7, removing broker tip rule. You don't want to take tips from the brokers, obviously, because they are just brokers. They're not professionals in the field. Rule number 8, never arguing rule. Rule number 9, constantly improving rule. That's part of your life, to constantly improve your life. Rule number 10, noise filtering rule. You need to basically filter out the noise of life on your way to success. Rule number 11, outflowing more than inflowing rule. It's very crucial that you do that. Watching too much TV and inflowing, you need to balance it up with outflows and doing other things. Rule number 12, long-term thinking rule. When you do things, do it long-term. Very important. Rule number 13, winning the war despite the battle rule. In other words, keep your eyes on the long-term success. Don't try to win the small things while losing the bigger things on the horizon. Rule number 14, never giving up rule, which means you can't give up just because something went wrong. You have to go back and redo it and keep moving. And finally, rule number 15, reinvesting the profit rule. It's very important to create a feedback system where your profits are put back into the system for you to create more of what you created. So with that 15 rule, that gives you the 5th echelon to climb to success. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.